What's up, everybody? It's Melissa here with Wynn Motors. It's a beautiful day here at Wynn Classic Car Sales. I was going to do a real quick lot walk so you can see what we do have available to be in your driveway today. All right, guys, we're going to start it out here with the 1963 Buick Riviera. This one's going to have that 401 V8 in it. Chip did a beautiful presentation on this car. We have a YouTube video up now on it, giving the full history and story behind it, and it's a good one for sure. So we do have that one, guys. Once again, that's a 1963 Buick Riviera. We got that one at $27,500. This one's going to be that beautiful red 1957 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, guys. We also have a walk around video and a test drive video as well up on the Wynn Classics YouTube channel. If you're liking that content, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, and way you know when we keep putting out these beauties. This one's a neat one. I like this one. So this one's going to be a super clean looking 1948 Willys Jeep, guys. We got this one at $17,500. I did put I think this was coming up with a walk around video. We'll do a test drive on it soon. And we got a beautiful 41 Ford Custom. This one's going to be hooked up with a 350 V8 engine in it. I just got put together a walk around video on it. It will be up soon too. It also has this little placard telling you everything that's been redone on it. We got it out there, priced everything online too, guys, here at chipwynnmotors.com. So make sure you're popping over there to see all the prices, the descriptions, pictures, so you can check all that one out. One of my favorites, SS clone, guys. It's gonna be a 1972 Chevelle 350 V8. We got walk around videos of it as well up on the channel. Gorgeous, but that one will be an SS clone, but it is a beautiful one. How about this? They'll see you coming. 1937 Chevrolet pickup with a 350 LT1. Guys, this one's going to give you 350 horsepower. It's got a 700 R4 automatic transmission in it. Gorgeous yellow paint on it. $34,500 we're priced at on it. Another one of my favorites. This one is going to be a 1969 done in beautiful blue. It's going to have a built 350 V8 in it. This Chevelle's going to have a mild cam and a turbo 350 automatic. Beautiful paint job on it. He's got her right there at $46,500. $46,500. Or come on around the back side here of this beautiful building on 3174 Park Avenue. We're over here to this gorgeous convertible, beautiful top 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. Attractive price point on this one. Chip's got her at $17,500. Beautiful red leather interior. Don't forget, we do offer same-day financing. We can ship to just about anywhere. So when you see these, don't let distance stand between you and your dream car. We can make that a reality. At a 1973 Ford Ranchero, guys. 351 with a C6 transmission. I'll get it out here. Bear with me. $26,500. $26,500 on that one. Ford Ranchero of the 73 year. Nice. This one's been our super popular one. Guys, this truck right here is absolutely done up so well with that patina on her. You know, you don't think you're looking at much until you look in the interior. It is bagged, but you're looking at a 1957 Dodge pickup truck. It is on bags in the front end. We do have a video of it as well. Jeff did an amazing job talking about it, showing how the system and everything works. But she's going to have a 350 Chevy engine. Check out that video though on Wynn Classics. $29,500. Moving on over to a 1934 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. She's got a 350 V8 automatic in it. Gonna have videos of it up, walk around videos. She's pretty. How about a Rat Rod, 1935 Ford. She's got a 350 V8. It is an automatic. This one is super cool. The back's my favorite part. Coming around, there we got our 67s left, guys. We do have videos of these. These are some absolutely gorgeous cars. They're all going to be 67s, but you've got the Chevelle Malibu red here, convertible top with a 283 4-speed. We're going to have one in black with a 283 and a Power Glide transmission. And rounding her out here, the one we just put up yesterday, guys, this one right here, museum, yes, it was kept in one. And it rides and everything operates like it was kept in a museum. But you're looking at, once again, a 1967 Chevelle convertible, power convertible top with a 283 automatic. Check out that video. And once again, all of our prices, descriptions, more pictures are available online at chipwynnmotors.com. Check us out here at 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah, Kentucky. Or you can give us a call at 270-443-1728. But that will be what we have out for today. And we are talking about today being October 24th, guys. We cannot wait to see you. You like what you see, you want to see more of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you. And until next time, see ya.